Hello, General Math students. I'm going to go over your homework for February 1st through 5th. Only 3 things this week. Of course, one of them is a quiz, so be ready. So, number 1 I'm going to talk about is this video and our exit ticket or our question of the week. The second thing I'm going to talk about is your quiz, which is the big one for this week. And the third one I'm going to talk about is the 5.4 lesson on proportional word problems. So let's get started. First thing, this should be a video that you are watching hopefully before you come to your Google Meet. But the big thing is the question of the week. The question of the week is actually an exit ticket. It's a Google form. I have attached it. So sometime this week, I want you to open it up and fill in all the questions. It should maybe take you about 5 minutes. So whether it's before your test or after your test, I'm not too concerned, but it needs to be completed by Friday night. Second thing, this is the big one. We have a quiz this week, and it is only open for 4 days. So pay attention. It is in Go Formative. So you'll find it in there. You kind of got a peek at it last week during our Google Meets, but I hadn't opened it yet. It is scheduled to open on Monday at 10 o'clock. It's gonna open, and it's gonna close Thursday at 4 p.m. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for the most part to take it. So be aware of that. There's no time limit on the test. You can edit questions, answers as whenever you need. It is not, here's the big one, it's not going to show you your score instantly, and it's not going to show you any answers. So once you're done, Thursday at 4 o'clock and it closes, that's going to be your score, and I will get it entered into Campus. If you have any questions on this, please message me. Okay, message me with any questions. There are some things that I can help you with, some things that I will not, but feel free to message me with any questions. Once you're done with the quiz, because I would say that's, other than watching the video, this is the first thing you should do. You're going to do lesson 5.4 on proportional word problems. This is also in Go Formative. Okay, last week everything was in Schoology. This week everything is in Go Formative. There's a video that you watch, and then there is homework. Now, with the homework, you're going to do 1 through 13. But they're 1 through 13 that I give you. There are a few problems on the assignment that you will see that you are not going to be doing. I think it's 12, 14, 15, and 16 that you will not be doing. Do the problems that I have listed in Go Formative. Again, questions, message me, and we'll figure them out, okay? We're starting the next part of our proportion unit, so this is the first lesson. Message me with any questions. Hopefully I'll hear from you sometime this week. Have a great day.